Unlocking the secrets of cooking, the power of tested recipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite common in cooking and baking circles. Use tested recipes. We'll explore what this means, why it's important, and how it can make a difference in your culinary adventures. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this video is for you. Let's get started. When we say, use tested recipes, we're talking about recipes that have been tried and proven to work under specific conditions. These are not just any recipes, but ones that have been experimented with and refined by cooks or chefs to ensure they produce consistent and reliable results every time. Tested recipes come with detailed instructions on ingredients, quantities, cooking times, and temperatures, which have all been carefully calibrated to achieve the best possible outcome. Using tested recipes is crucial, especially for those new to cooking or baking. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Consistency. They help ensure that your dish turns out the same way each time you make it. 2. Reliability. You can trust these recipes to work, as they have been validated by other cooks or chefs. 3. Saves time and resources. By following a tested recipe, you reduce the risk of cooking mishaps that can waste ingredients and effort. 4. Learning tool. They serve as a great learning tool for understanding the science and art behind cooking and baking techniques. Tested recipes can be found in cookbooks published by reputable authors or institutions, websites and food blogs with positive reviews and feedback from a community of users, cooking classes or workshops, where recipes have been used and perfected over time. Always look for sources that provide detailed information about the recipe's development and testing process. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of using tested recipes in your cooking and baking endeavors. Remember, a tested recipe is your best friend in the kitchen, guiding you towards delicious and successful dishes every time. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.